Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Okay, everybody, let's get started with day 7 of this wonderfully fun series, Crochet Granny Flowers Squares. I'm not really sure. I think I call it something different in every video. But we're going to take a look at another pattern by Luba Davies Atelier, and this is the Crochet Granny Square floral pattern. And I'm not sure if it's got an actual name. Let's see if she's actually given it a name. I think it's just Granny Square 2. So I don't think she really has given this one a name, but I really love it. I love the pink colors, and I mostly love this three-dimensionality that it has. That's just so fun to me. I love that it just pops out like that. Isn't that great? And I honestly don't think it's that difficult to make. So let's see how she lists it as far as difficulty. If she lists the difficulty. Yeah, she says skill level is easy. Shannon says absolutely wonderful. I love the pattern and it was so fun to work with. Anonymous says sent really quick. Love the designs, easy to follow pattern. Now I am pretty sure that this is in the ebook that the same designer has. I did a video a couple days ago on her ebook, so this is possibly in there, but if you didn't want to purchase the whole book and you just wanted the one flower, it looks like she can sell them to you that way as well. All right, everybody. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it, and I hope to see you tomorrow for some more granny square floral motif patterns. I've got to come up with a good name. Maybe by the time the series is over, I'll have the name down. All right, guys, until tomorrow, have a great day and keep on hooking. Bye-bye.